Good morning, students. Welcome back to biology classroom once again. Actually, due to my illness, I was not able to make the videos before puja vacation. So today I will discuss blood vessels. So look at the book. Blood vessels are a kind of tubes or pipes which carry blood throughout our body. So normally blood vessels act as a pipe by which blood can easily flow inside our body. The blood vessels run between the heart and rest of the body. There are three types of blood vessels in the body. These are arteries, veins and capillaries. We will now describe arteries, veins and capillaries in details. So basically blood vessels are three types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries. Arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood from the heart to the parts of the body. Normally, artery जो है, it is a kind of blood vessels which actually help to carry the blood from heart to the all parts of the body. Arteries are found in the whole of our body. मतलब शरीर में पूरा जगह जो है, सब जगह पे ही आर्टरी दिखाई देता है. The arteries lie quite deep under our skin and hence they are not seen easily. तो नॉर्मली आर्टरी जो है हम लोग का शरीर में बहुत डीप जो है, मतलब बहुत गहराई में ये रहता है. That's why it is not easily seen. The arteries have thick and elastic walls. This is because blood flow through them at a high pressure. So why blood can flow high pressure through arteries? Because it has a thick and elastic walls. The thick and elastic walls of the arteries can withstand the high pressure of blood flowing through them. Normally इस आर्टरी का जो हाई मतलब थिक वॉल है और वो इलास्टिक भी है, इस दौरान ब्लड जो है बहुत प्रेशर में फ्लो होता है. Arteries normally carry oxygenated blood. इसके नीचे अंडरलाइन करना. Arteries normally carry oxygenated blood, rich in oxygen. I mean, oxygenated blood means blood which is rich in oxygen from the heart. So normally arteries carry the blood from heart to the all body parts, which is normally oxygenated blood. But there is one exception to this rule. One artery called pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. So here is an exception, which is pulmonary artery. Though it is an artery, it carries deoxygenated blood, which is rich in carbon dioxide from heart to the lungs. The pulmonary artery carrying deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs is called an artery. It is a not kind of vein, because it is carries blood away from the heart. The pulmonary artery carrying deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs is called an artery. मतलब नॉर्मली pulmonary artery को artery क्यों बोला जा रहा है? Though it is artery, it carry the deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. That's why it is a kind of artery. Because it carries blood away from heart. क्योंकि ये हार्ट से लेकर ब्लड को लंग्स तक लेके जाता है, मतलब ये हार्ट से दूरिया पे लेके जा रहा है. इस दौरान इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज आर्टरी. एओर्टा इज द लार्जेस्ट आर्टरी व्हाइल आर्टेरियल्स आर द स्मॉलर आर्टरीज. यहाँ पे दो अंडरलाइन करना. एओर्टा इज द लार्जेस्ट आर्टरी व्हाइल आर्टेरियल्स आर द स्मॉलर आर्टरीज. Now, veins. Veins are the blood vessels which carry blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. So normally it is the basic difference from artery and vein. Vein carries the deoxygenated blood from the body parts to the heart. Veins are found inside our whole body. The veins are less deep than arteries. Normally arteries से ये less deep में वेन दिखाई देता है. हेंस कैन बी सीन इजिली. नॉर्मली हम लोग का स्किन के जो नीचे हम लोग ग्रीनिश ब्लू कलर का थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं. दीज आर द वेन्स. द ग्रीनिश ब्लू लाइन्स विच वी सी जस्ट बिलो आवर स्किन on our hands, legs are the veins. The deoxygenated blood returns to the heart at low pressure. Normally deoxygenated blood जो है veins through वो हार्ट में वापस आता है. It can flow at low pressure through the veins. Since the blood flow at low pressure through the vein, so the veins have thin wall. Normally artery का जो wall है that is thick wall and elastic. That's why through the arteries blood can flow at high pressure. But जब vein deoxygenated blood को carry करके वापस हार्ट में लेके आता है, it flow at low pressure because vein have thin walls and also non-elastic. Vein have valves in them which allow the blood in them to flow in one direction only towards the heart. Normally vein के अंदर valves मौजूद है. Valves actually help to prevent the backflow of the blood and it actually help to flow the blood in one direction only. The valves present the backflow of the blood in veins. Veins generally carry deoxygenated blood towards the heart. But there is one exception to this rule, that is pulmonary vein. Though it is a vein, it carries oxygenated blood from lungs back to the heart. Normally it is इसको vein क्यों बोला जा रहा है? Because it carry the blood from the lungs to heart. मतलब lungs से लेकर वो heart तक लेके आ रहा है, heart पे वापस लेके आ रहा है. That's why it is also known as vein. Now capillaries. Capillaries are the extremely thin blood vessels which allow substances to pass from blood into the body cells and also from body cells into the blood. So normally capillary is a junction by which arteries and veins connect each other and it actually help to pass the different types of substances from blood to body cells and again body cells to blood. Capillaries, also known as blood capillaries, are present throughout our body. मतलब पूरा शरीर में ही दिखाई देता है. Every cells of the body is a near a capillary. मतलब it actually act as a bonding point by which each cell connect with each other. The exchange of substances like food, oxygen, carbon dioxide between the blood are normally body cells takes place through the capillaries. So what is the main function of capillaries? Capillaries actually help to pass through different types of food, oxygen, carbon dioxide, different types of substances from blood to body cells and again body cells to blood. So student, I hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion.